Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we're going to walk through the 2021 Sailfish 276 dual console. At the stern we have twin Yamaha 150 horsepower engines, so that's 300 horsepower for this boat, which is a perfect setup. We've got the standard Sailfish rod holders, fillet station, and the removable ski tow. We also have a fold-out aft seat with a table mount for when everything's folded out. You have a table set up out back, but when they're folded away, great space for fishing. Here's one of the seats down, which easily moves out of the way. With plenty of fishing with high bolsters. We've got a live well. We have two fish boxes on the floor. Sailfish also added in the cooler underneath the starboard side reverse facing seat. They've updated all of their stitching and upholstery, which looks a lot sharper, very good quality with the diamond stitching. This model does have the sink and a prep station. We've got storage on the port side lounge seat and also a cooler underneath with the reversible backrest, so you can either face forward or aft. Moving up, we have a very spacious head, easy to get into with a large opening instead of crawling in through the side. We've got sea deck throughout the inside and a nice sink and storage in here as well. At the helm, we've got a beautiful captain's chair with armrests and its electronic slide forward and back for different sized drivers. We've got a Garmin touchscreen, Yamaha engine controls, Fusion radio, trim tabs, throttles, compass, and your VHF and all of your light switches are up top here for the hardtop enclosure, spreader lights forward and aft, and as well as walk-around lights. We've got a nice high windshield for protection, and this boat actually comes with the isinglass surround for foul weather traveling. We've got plenty of storage, block off for the wind, storage for our bow table or stern table, and there's actually access from the bow when the cushions come up for large storage access underneath. And this happens on both sides. This boat also has an automatic windlass, more storage throughout the bow, full bow cushions that are stored underneath, pop-up cleats throughout the boat, as well as a pop-up navigation light. If you'd like to see more of this boat, please come visit us at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, right on Boston Post Road. Give us a call at 860-661-4761 or visit us at marinemax.com.